Hey there, have you ever felt the urge to break free from the hustle and bustle of city life? To breathe in air so clean it feels like it's straight from the heavens? Well, I've got something that might just be your ticket to serenity. Imagine owning a piece of land where time seems to slow down, just 12 kilometers away from the charming town of Dve Mogili, nestled in a tranquil village along the banks of the Cherni Lomm river. But wait, there's more. Picture this, a house with land boasting a solid stone foundation and double brick walls, standing tall amidst 1,800 square meters of fertile soil. Inside, you'll find not just a house, but a potential sanctuary. With 5 spacious rooms, a kitchen, and a large glazed summer kitchen, this property offers ample space for your imagination to roam free. And don't forget the basement, perfect for storing your treasures or perhaps even starting that wine cellar you've always dreamed of. Now, before we dive deeper into this idyllic retreat, I'm curious. Where do you hail from? What are your thoughts on Bulgaria? Feel free to share in the comments below. As we explore further, let's talk possibilities. Whether you envision a peaceful homestead to escape the chaos of modern life or dream of starting your own bed and breakfast nestled amidst nature's embrace, this property holds boundless potential. And let's not overlook the opportunity for a thriving honeybee business, tapping into the riches of the land and reaping sweet rewards. But don't just take my word for it. The breathtaking scenery, with forests, rivers, and meadows as far as the eye can see, beckons you to explore. And with flexible payment options available, seizing this opportunity has never been easier. So, what do you say? Ready to embark on your next adventure? Don't hesitate, reach out to us at bulgarianpropertyfinder.com and let's turn your dreams into reality. And while you're here, why not leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible opportunities like this one. We can't wait to welcome you into our community.